I'm Amanda. Welcome back to 5-Minute Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda，歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。Today we're going to learn how to order this rice in Hong Kong, even if you are absolute beginner. Let's get started. First of all, what is this rice? Actually, this rice means 2 dishes rice. 兩餸飯，兩餸飯。Pay attention when we say two alone as number. 二。However, if we need to put two in front of a quantifier or a noun, we need to change it to 兩餸飯. Sometimes you might hear the other name. Remember, if this is not the first time you see my channel, in our early lesson of horoscope, we learned how to say Pisces, Gemini, double. Yes, 雙. Okay, so this is rice. Apart from 兩餸飯, we can also say 雙餸飯. 餸 means dishes. 飯, obviously, rice. Okay, let's order this rice. So, first of all, how to say this and this. This. 呢個 and 同 again this 呢個 and then magic words. Please, thank you. 唔該 Let's say basically you eat everything. You're adventurous. So when you order this rice, you can simply point to the dishes you like and say 呢個同呢個 Please, thank you. 唔該呢個同呢個唔該. Level 2. Ask question. Well, don't ask too many questions. Let's make it precise. For example, you don't eat certain things, so you need to know what dish is it. Normally, for 2 dishes rice, you can only find these kind of meat and seafood. Chicken, 雞 pork, 豬 beef, 牛 And then for seafood, okay, you can see only fish because the other are too expensive. 魚 For example, you point to certain dish. It looks like chicken. However, you're not sure. So now you can ask this. This. 呢個 Is it, okay? To be, not to be, for yes or no question. 係okay? 呢個係唔係 For example, chicken. 雞 And then let's add the question ending word. 呢個係唔係雞啊？呢個係唔係雞啊？ Now, he or she is going to answer you. For example, if it's a yes, 係 If it's a no, 係 followed by the answer. Okay, for example, it's pork. Okay, she might say 呢個 This is pork. 係 Okay, pork. 豬 Or she might say pork meat. 豬肉 So, let's say you cannot eat pork. This time, you need to say something. 好意思，好意思。I cannot eat certain thing. I 我 don't eat 食食 but this time let's make it stronger, okay? Because I don't eat. It might mean you just don't like it, okay? Now, for example, you're Muslim, you really cannot eat pork, okay? So let's make it stronger by adding this word. 得 okay? 唔好意思，我唔食得 pork. For example, 豬肉，豬肉。唔好意思，我唔食得豬肉。or 唔好意思，我唔食得豬。And then you choose another one. Now you try. For example, you believe in Buddhist. You cannot eat beef. Now you're ordering 2 dishes food. Okay, that one looks like pork, okay? You can eat pork, but the color is a bit dark. So now you ask, is this pork? Right. 呢個 is it? 係唔係 pork? 豬 or 豬肉 with the question ending word 啊？呢個係唔係豬肉啊？呢個係唔係豬肉啊？ For example, she say, no, 唔係。And then you ask again, is this beef? Right, 呢個係唔係牛肉啊？ And then she say yes. Now you tell her, I'm sorry, I don't eat beef. Right. 唔好意思 I don't eat beef. 我唔食得 beef 牛 or 牛肉。唔好意思，我唔食得牛 or 唔好意思，我唔食得牛肉。And then you choose another one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more worksheets and supplementary audio exercise as well as the fresh card, please support my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。